Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts. I'm Anna Vanila and this is a channel where I share absolutely everything I know, everything I've learned over the years about crafting, about all sorts of other things. I upload on my channel for you to see, for you to learn something new hopefully, and to create beautiful things together with my channel. I hope you love my patterns. I hope you love knitting, knotting, crocheting and drawing, and you can find a lot of interesting things on my channel, and all of them are easy and quick to do, easy and quick for beginners. I can guarantee you that. Plus anything that's on my channel, it's absolutely unique, you can't find anywhere else. So stay tuned, and if you want to be original, you can do my patterns and you're going to be unique as well. So this is a headband for this channel. For this channel today we do a video about this beautiful headband with this beautiful pattern. As you can see, it's stretchy, it's beautiful, the yarn is beautiful. I have about 19 loops on my needles. My needles are 5.5, and if you want to do this pattern, this is the first row that you do. So we knit the first loop because we are doing a headband. When we do a headband, to create a straight edge which doesn't curve, we need to knit it with a front stitch like so. So it's a front stitch. Then we knit one front stitch, yarn over, one purl stitch, yarn over, one front stitch, yarn over, one purl stitch, yarn over, one front stitch, yarn over, one purl stitch, yarn over, one front stitch, yarn over, one purl stitch, yarn over, one front stitch, yarn over, one purl stitch, yarn over, one front stitch, yarn over, and that's how you knit until the end of this row. Yarn over, one front stitch, and the last one we knit with a front stitch to create this straight edge. That was the first row. Now we are doing the main row, which creates this pattern, this unique pattern. So we knit the first loop with a front stitch like usual. So we knit a purl stitch, then 3 together with a front stitch, a purl stitch, 3 together with a front stitch, one purl stitch, 3 together with a front stitch, one purl stitch, 3 together with a front stitch, one purl stitch, and as you can see, there's 2 at the edge, so there are 3 loops. So the 2 loops from the sides, first and the third, they are yarn overs from the previous row. So what we need to do is knit these 3 rows as a front stitch like so, then a purl stitch, 3 together as a front stitch, one purl stitch, front stitch. You can help it, you can stretch slightly, one purl stitch, and then the front stitch for the edge to be straight. And this is all you need to know to be able to make this pattern. So good luck and see you soon in this video. See you. Now let me show you how to close the loops. So you take the right needle, you pass through the center of the first loop and the center of the second loop, and then we grab the yarn and make another loop. This made loop we return onto the needle, we put onto the second needle, and we pass through the center of a second loop and create another loop. The same loop we put back, and then we bring another next loop, and this is how we close the headband. And as you can see, it creates like soft kind of braiding, but make sure you don't do it too loose and not too quick, but somehow for it to be successful enough, like well made. Like so. The last two loops, and we have our last loop. Now what we need to do is count 3 times the yarn around the area where we are supposed to stitch. So we pass through the needle like so. Put the needles aside, and we take this loop and we put through like this, and we tighten it up. Now we need to sew these two edges, two ends together. For example, I do it on the front. You might be preferring to do it from the back side, but I prefer to do it from the front because you get an understanding of a better and more even finish to your garment. So this is what I do. And you can close it with a needle, it's all up to you. You can close it with a hook, you can close it with the needles, knitting needles. I close it like this because I prefer my method. I hope you can close it the way you like it. If you don't follow how I do it, you don't like how I do it, or you find it difficult to follow how I am closing and stitching it together, you might be choosing a different variant of closing, maybe again. And this is how we continue until the end. We close it to the end. This is our almost finished headband. You can see it's very beautiful, it's very stretchy. This is the stitch at the back, which is not very noticeable, hopefully. And I thought about showing you how to hide the last final thread, so working thread. So I just follow the braid down like so. I make a knot like this to secure it, so it does not unravel every time you wash and wear this garment. And then you just go down this way, follow the line, follow the braid, and then we cut it off. Cut it off like so. And this is our finished headband. Hello my dear beautiful people. I finished this headband. As you can see, it's lovely, it's stretchy, it's voluminous. The pattern is just crazily fantastic, and the color just complements the pattern so well. As you can see, it's beautiful. We later we're going to see how it looks on my mannequin. At the moment, this pattern and the stitching at the back is here. As you can see, I've stitched with much care to make sure these lines, these rows continue. As you can see, it's at the back like so, and it's stretchy like this and like this, and this stitching should be at the back worn, and this is the front. As you can see, it's lovely, and hopefully you're going to love it enough to make this pattern also for you. You can knit this pattern, you can knit this headband for yourself, for your family members, for your friends. Why not? It's very easy, it's very simple, as you can see, and it's just fantastic. The color is beautiful, the edging is straight, as you can see it here. The acrylic yarn is fantastic as well. I hope you're going to love it, love the process of doing it when you knit, and so that we can knit together with my videos. As you know already, I've been saying in my videos that my patterns and everything else is absolutely unique, you can't find anywhere else. So be sure that if you do a pattern that I created, that I put on my channel, it will be absolutely unique, and nobody else will going to have it apart from you, apart from yourself doing from my videos from my channel. So please feel welcome and enjoy any piece you would like. Hats, scarves, patterns like for headbands, why not for hair bands, and all sorts of other things that I show you on my channel. Now let's try and see how it looks on my mannequin. My mannequin sadly doesn't have any hair, but you can have enough imagination to know how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. It covers the ears. It's slightly open work pattern, as you can see here. You can see small little dots, which is aerating when you would be wearing it. It's good for autumn, it's good for spring, for maybe late summer times. This is a stitch at the back which can't be seen so much, but I've done a great job, it seems, because these rows are continuing from one to another. And as you can see, it's fantastic. I love it. I hope you love it enough to make this pattern yourself, and we can enjoy doing things together with the videos from my channel. So please feel welcome, and let's do beautiful things together. Thank you for watching. Thank you for putting likes on my videos. Thank you for comments. I would like to receive comments from you where you write what other things you would like me to do for the public to like it and for yourself to watch on my channel. It will be fantastic, and please subscribe, and let's create beautiful things together with crafts that I create on my channel, that I share with you on my channel. Thank you very much for watching. I was Anna Vanila. Bye.